Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make an AI chatbot in 60 seconds or less. So the very first thing you want to do is to add a chat trigger. Then just click out of here, and next we go and add an AI agent. We're going to add a system message, and in the system message is a long prompt about our business, which is called Brightbot. And then we're going to add OpenAI as our LLM. You can either create a new credential or just use one of your existing. Then we're going to add some memory. Just use simple memory and change the context length to 10. Cool. Now let's open our chat and test it out. So you can see it's referencing the prompt and it's told them that our business is Brightbot. Next it's thinking and it's told the user about our services. And finally, it's going to show the user our different pricing tiers. Next, they're going to make it publicly available. So double click on it, click on make chat publicly available, change it to banned chat, and then click here to follow the instructions on how to put on your website. So I hope you enjoyed that short tutorial. If you want to learn more about N8N, please hit that subscribe button and follow for more AI related content.